Hey guys, Matt Teifke, TRE, Austin, Texas, real estate brokerage. Thank you for joining our video. Today, I wanted to talk about 5 aspects of finding new clients as a real estate agent or a real estate broker. So please make sure to subscribe, comment, like our channel, and let's dive in on this. Number 1, networking. This is a big thing I always talk about. Networking is critical. The more people that you know, the more people that you add value for over a long period of time, the better off life will be. I promise you that. But you've got to get out to different events. You know, go take people to lunch, go to conferences, go just pass out your card. We have people on our team that pass out cards to every person they talk to. Go to the gas station, start talking to them, give you your card. I'm always keeping this concept in mind. When I have someone cold call me, I say, hey, appreciate your time. You know anyone looking to buy real estate in Austin, Texas? And they're like, you know, I'll put you on my list. Or they say, whatever. But every person you talk to is a potential lead. So just talk to people, give out your card, let them know what you do. Number 2, expired listings. You can go on the multiple listing service and find properties that have been listed on the MLS but have now expired. You can go and track down those owners and say, hey, I know you tried to sell your house and you didn't have success with that. Would you be interested in trying something new? Would you be interested in a conversation? Maybe you can help them find a buyer off market and still get a commission for that. So expired listings are a great source for finding clients as a real estate agent. Number 3, for sale by owner. You can drive around. I tell people all the time, take a different route every time you're going home. Take a different route when you're going to your favorite restaurant. For sale by owner signs can be put up the night before. You call them, you can lock up a quick deal. But they're all over. Plenty of people are trying to sell their house for sale by owner. And this is also another value you can bring if you have buyer clients. You can tell them, hey, I got this off-market deal. And it goes a long way and it shows that you're in the game and looking out for them. Number 4, you got to utilize your circle of influence or your sphere. You've got to connect with the people around you, get involved with them, figure out what their plans are. Everybody's either buying, renting, or know somebody that's doing this. So just have those conversations with the people that you know and that are around you. Go through your phone book, reach out to people, stay in touch. Number 5, the follow-up is key. Follow up, follow up, follow up, follow up. You can't miss that. Very few transactions or very few deals get done on the first call. Rarely are you going to call someone and they say, yeah, I'm interested in selling, or yeah, this is a perfect time. What happens is you close that deal 6 months, a year later, but you have 50 of these things in the works and you've got 10 of these new things every single day. So it's a constant process and a follow-up system is critical. So hopefully you find these 5 tips valuable. We'd love to give you more. We're here to help. Please subscribe, like, comment below. We want to be a resource here any way we possibly can. Thank you guys and have a great day.